True community, true rewards. As we prepare for the launch of Toma, we want to make sure our real community members are the ones cashing in on the rewards. To keep it fair, we've kicked out a bunch of accounts flagged for suspected cheating. So guess what? There's now a big stash of Toma set aside just for those who've qualified. We initially thought about saving this stash for marketing, but then we figured it's way better to give it back to our awesome community. Market wouldn't be where it is today without all of you. Important. You'll be able to check your allocations starting November 1st. We'll confirm the timing soon. If you've been playing dirty or cheating in any way, keep an eye on your bot when the allocation opens. Bans can happen any time before November 1st. Oh, and for those of you with premium medals, you're in for a treat. You'll get a bigger share of those extra tokens. Thanks for being part of this journey. Toma is coming, and this is just the beginning.